this is our IT students from SNS College of Technology. They are having to have a DT-based video on how IT is useful for the present generation. My name is Mr. A. James from English Department, Assistant Professor of English, working in SNS College of Technology. Our students are going to tell and ideate and find out the problems and solutions and suggestions for the IT-based related things. So if you take this DT-based lecture or DT-based things, the 5 pillars are most important as we know that, okay? So empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test, all such things are there. So in this video, our students from first year IT, they are going to explain all the 5 pillars based DT based thing, explaining their title as how IT is being used in the present generation. So normally speaking, when we take IT, present world IT is much important. And as the technology also developed, as the technology also has grown, IT field also has grown. Okay. So let's start with the introduction.
Information technology has almost changed. Pravika from ITA. I'm going to talk about the empathize example. Students need
just tell your own example.
Student needs online classes, e-learning platforms. Families are using UPI.
Very good. See, what was say is, when we take personally, we will take some books and read. But online reading means nothing but mobile systems. If you give anything, it will all be done. That's it. Okay? Online classes as well as payments. We don't need to wait for a queue and get ticket for all those things. But nowadays the technology has changed. We can get all things online only. We can also book anything from the online. That's it. Okay? Very good. Next, define.
The define and now I'm going to tell about the problem statement, what is the C-set and empathize, for example. And the students must keep the more different on screens, and there will be the more like cyber attacks or the data theft. And another one of the most thing is there will be the more gap between the ruler and the user, sector. And we can say in another like that's it.
Very good. Some problems there is identified, and also it's very interesting to see that. Okay. See some data theft and what is it? Cyber attacks.
More different on
screens, all such things are there.
The student must see on the screen for a long time.
And also, if you create one app, what happens? Other attacks will come. So many problems. It's a find out. Okay. Yes. In the IT field, yes, we install some app, we find out some mistakes. That comes under define. Ideate. Generate some things like healthcare awareness. We have to create awareness among the students. And what is it? Okay, transaction awareness. Then first of all, this is something. AI-based studies, so that we can solve the problem. Okay? Yes. Next, prototype.
Creating a working sample. App from wire using Figma or Canva. Chatbot flow using digital website box design in HTML. API key for real-time.
Some things is said which is IT based related, saying that HTML and Canva, all such things are there, so that you can able to find out an app. Okay, very good. And while you insist this app, what will be the test you will be doing?
Myself, Nitya. And for testing, we should. I'm going to explain testing. First, we should test that whether the user interface is easy to use, and we should check if there's something like problems, if there are any problem in the future, will it be helpful for the users to be used, and we should check whether there is some problem or not, and we should also check whether it is secure or not.
Excellent. Okay. So normally when we install or when we create our own app, as he says, we'll be checking whether the app is working or not. Isn't it? That's it, the one thing. Another what is said, it is safe or not? Secure. You will be secure. It is safe or not, you will be checking. Another is that, what is that?
App interface is easy to use or not.
Okay. So I'm IT field students, you will be doing like this. Okay? Okay, next.
Myself, we become testing tool, user feedback. It means the opinion, comment, and on suggestions given by the users about the product or app. Survey forms. It is a set of questions used to collect information from the people.
She will take one paper and she will distribute to all and she will take survey, feedback from the users. All. That once while they use this app, whether it is useful or not. Yes, that you will do as a survey, as a feedback. Okay. So as a feedback, you will do that. Nice. So I am asking Kanish to just overview on what we have discussed.
Like last but not least, like let me explain about the
And also its applications, right?
application. Yeah. Like nowadays, in many fields are IT conquering. In communications, finance or money, education, healthcare, security. In all fields, IT are plays a vital role.
Yes. Hospitals, Canva, PPT, everything IT is based. AI is based. Okay. So I mean, without IT, there is the world is something like different. Okay. So you have choose an IT field, and you will be a great opportunity for you to be working. Okay. So this is the final conclusion I want to give that. Actually, our topic was that how IT is useful for the present generation. IT is useful for education, hospitals, and you paying bills, and our daily needs. Okay, and it is also with the help of IT we can create much more apps also, and we can create apps and we can give the apps to others. We can check it, and this thing will be, our company will be flourished. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you.